my channel, Ria's Glam Life. Today's video is gonna be about a new subscription box that I have never heard of until Shenek inboxed me and told me that she was sending me her extra subscription box. And I just want to take the time out to say thank you so much to Shenek. If you don't know who she is, I will put her channel and Instagram. I'll put her channel information in the eye and her Instagram and channel information in the description box below. Make sure you go over to her channel and follow her on Instagram and show her some love. She's super funny, and I think you guys will enjoy her just as much as I do. So this box is called Brown Sugar Box, and the front says Izzy and Liv, Culture, Confidence, Soul, and Delivered. When I first opened the box, the first thing that I see is this African colored bag. It's red, like yellowish orange, and that teal green. It's very beautiful. Has a black woman on it, and she's very pretty. I like the bag. It's very cute. The next thing is in this Izzy and Liv. It feels like a satin, it may not be satin, bag, but it's a watch. It's very pretty. There's a black girl in there. She's natural, and it has like little embellishments on the inside. Super cute. The next thing is, it looks like some note cards. It says Izzy and Liv, and they have different pictures on them. That's super cute. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I really like that. I could use note cards. You can never have too many things to write something on. The next thing is this beautiful fan. Hey, I like this. You can never have too many fans. Okay, let me stop playing because I'm having too much fun with that fan. Oh, this is cute. Look at these. It's Izzy and Liv, Culture, Confidence, Soul. It's their pens. Really, really cute. The next thing is this box. Oh, that is cute. So it's a silver chain, and it says that melanin. I will take a picture because I know you guys can't see it, but I will take a picture and insert it into this clip. But it's super cute. The next thing is this. It's a pouch. Makeup brushes. And they're mini size. And they have little inspirational words on it. So this one says, "You better work." What is this? Hold up, this is something else. I'm gonna have to look into that one. This one says, "Be confident." It's a concealer stick. This one says, "Get it, girl." This is super cute. And this one says, "You are beautiful." I love that. Now, I want to know what this is. I really like those brushes. They're perfect size for on the go. That is too cute. I think it's an eyebrow brush, but it says Slay. That is cute. That is too cute. I like how this comes with the case. That is adorable. I was just looking at some makeup brushes too. Girl, you know me, don't you? The next thing, this looks so pretty, you guys. Look at this. It is so cute. It has a little pull-out handle, and it's a mirror. And it is really pretty. It looks so fancy. Oh my gosh, I really like this. I really like this mirror. so cute. Look at it. It's so pretty. Let me make sure I put it back in the bubble wrap. I knew I could see that it was a mirror, but I didn't know that it looked that fancy. Okay, so this says playing your cards right. Play your cards right. So I think it's some playing cards. Get a little I declare war on, because I don't know how to play all the other stuff that y'all be playing, okay? I know how to play solitaire. I know how to play I declare war. If I can open it, I'm pretty sure the pictures on here look gorgeous. There we go. It's a little black. We ain't gonna worry about taking that part out. We ain't gonna worry about it. Oh my gosh, look at this. The Joker. This is Big Joker, Little Joker. Oh my gosh, look at that. I gotta see the face card. This is the Jack, the Queen, the King, that is super cute. These are a one-of-a-kind space cards. They are adorable. Next is, okay, it's a pendant and it says she's a brick house. I got somebody in mind that would really love this. Really love this. That's super cute. The next thing is this notebook. It says Brown Sugar University. And I wonder what's on the inside. Like, is there any pictures? Maybe not, right? Maybe it's just, you know, like something to write. And that's right. It is something to write in, but it's super cute. It's like this royal purple and then gold. And it feels really good. It's like soft. It feels really nice. And that's it for this box. I really, really like this box. It's really neat. I've never heard of it, and I'm so glad that Shenek introduced me to it. It had gorgeous items, things that I really, really love. And thank you so much for sending this to me. I really, really appreciate it. I'm gonna enjoy these items so much. Thank you, Shenek. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be a part of the Glam Fam. Also, I will be putting all the information in regards to this subscription in the description box below. And I thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. And I'll meet you down in the comments below. And I'll see you in another video. Peace.